Ayun, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Medyo matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakapag-upload. And for today's vlog, ayan, may camping na naman tayo. And dito muna kami, stop over muna kami sa gasolinahan. Papagas lang kami. Ayan, ito yung mga dala namin ngayon. Natin upuan. Isa lang upuan namin na dinala. Tapos table. Magmaniobra. Umambon-ambon na. So, baka pack up na kami. Tara na, be! Umambon na eh. See you!
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Dito na kami. Tanauan. Dagat yun.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours.
Dito muna kami ngayon sa loob ng tent. Medyo malakas yung ambon siya yung hangin sa labas, so hindi kami makapag-vlog. So dito, nilagay muna namin yung mga gamit, and then inflate muna ako ng ating carpet para mamaya pag medyo tumila-tila yung ulan, tsaka na tayo mag-ayos. Actually, hindi pa kami nakakapag-lunch. So, kasi madami kami inayos sa tent para sobrang lakas ng hangin. So, binigyan namin siya ng akaw. Ayan. So, eto, nabili namin kanina sa Alpha Mart. Ang hirap maghanap ng palengke. Parang ang layo, or nung medyo malapit na kami, wala na kaming nadaanan ng mga palengke. Kaya sa Alpha Mart na kami bumili. Ito, ulan na. Yes. Doon na rin kami bumili ng bigas. So, kain muna kami, tsaka hugasan ko tapos magluto. Let's go! So, nakapaghugas na kami ng rice tsaka ng pork. Magpiprito na lang ako ng pork mamaya. Pero bago yun, saing muna tayo. So, ayan. Pinantakip namin yung upuan kasi naiwan ko yung pangharang natin ng view shield. Pangharang natin ng hangin. So, may share lang ako habang nagluluto tayo. So, kanina, nung on the way kami dito, medyo hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung view. Kasi, yung nakikita ko sa Facebook, parang saktuhan lang. Although, parang medyo maganda naman siya, parang ganun. Pero pagka nasaksihan mo mismo yung view, yung lake, tapos, kasi kanina nakita namin yung yung vulkan. Vulkan ba yun, di ba? Tapos siya, umuusok siya. Sabi ko, shit, nakaka-amaze. Tapos sabi naman ni Kurt, ang ganda sa ang ganda sa Pilipinas. Kung kayo naghahanap kayo ng medyo murang campsite. Mura lang kasi eh. So para sa amin 300 pesos per night. Wala na kaming binayarang iba. Yun lang yung mismong 300 pesos. So para sa amin mura na yun. Tapos ganito yung view, ganito yung ambience, mahangin, malamig, hindi siya maingay. As in,
sobrang tahimik talaga.
Oo, sobrang tahimik. Luto na yung ating mga pagkain for today's dinner. So, yan, kain na tayo. Let's go! Meron tayo prito. Ito, parto bukas. Pinrito ko lang kasi masisira siya, pero isasahog ko to. And then yan sa atin. Prito ang liempo. Meron tayong itlog maalat, nilagyan ko yun ng kamatis na sa ilalim, tsaka sibuyas. Tapos ito yung sausawan natin, kamatis and sibuyas with toyo. Let's go! Let's go! Let's eat! Yummy! Lunch and dinner. Good morning everyone. So sa mga magpa-plan na mag-camp dito sa Splendor Hills, since itong campsite sobrang hangin. So bibihira lang yung time na wala siyang hangin or hindi ganun kahangin. Most of the time malakas yung hangin. Meron kaming nakasabay na ang dala nilang tent is parang beach tent. So medyo alanganin, hindi daw sila nakatulog kagabi kasi nga sobrang lakas ng hangin. Next time, make sure na gamitin niyo yung guidelines na kasama sa sa tent. And then kabit mo siya kung saan, yung may mga kabitan naman yan usually yung mga tent. Kabit mo dun yung guidelines niyo para may panglaban din kayo sa hangin. So, yun ang tip ko if ever na gusto niyo mag-camp dito sa Splendor. Yun lang. So, magandang tanghali po sa inyo. Alas 11 na dito sa campsite and si Kurt natulog siya, naantok kasi siya. Ang ginawa ko, since yung mga nabili namin kahapon is chicken and liempo, wala naman kaming nadalang cooler. So kagabi, niluto ko na yung chicken. Inadobo ko siya para hindi siya masira. Ito. Ninit ko lang ngayon. Ito yung rice natin. Nakasaing na ako. So, kain muna tayo ngayon ng ating tanghalian. At si Kurt, mamaya na siya. Tulog pa. So, nagising ako, tanghali na meron tayong biskotso binigay ni Madam, yung owner ng campsite. Ito po. Meron tayong chicha, mamaya. So, good evening guys. This is our second night dito sa Splendor Hills. So, ngayon medyo malamig. Chinek ko yung phone ko. Dito 25 degrees daw dito sa Tanauan. So, parang feeling ko medyo mas malamig pa sa 25 degrees. Ayun, so, mag-init tayo ng tubig. Anong oras na ba? Mga alas 12 na ng gabi. Init tayo ng water. Gawa tayo ng honey citron tea. Saktong-sakto. Sobrang lamig dito ngayon. So, maganda yan. Meron tayong mainit na naiinom. Ayan. So, bali, naiwan nga namin yung windscreen namin. Ang ginawa namin na alternative is yung table na gamit natin na galing sa Decathlon. So, yan. Finold ko lang ng ganyan. Diba? Meron na siyang additional purpose. Splendor Hills, and this is our third day at camp. And together here we have Mr. Alex, the owner of this beautiful campsite. What are your future plans for this beautiful place?
Well, Splendor Hills, as we can say, our advocacy is connecting people to God through nature. So we preserve nature and promote wellness. That's, when you talk about wellness, it's a spiritual wellness and a physical wellness. If a man is not well spiritually, for sure he's not going to be well physically. We make sure that we connect people to God through nature, because people, we came from nature and we'll go back to the nature. So once they come here, they appreciate the nature. We tell them, hey, wait a minute. As you appreciate the nature, remember there is a maker of the nature, God himself. We want to make sure that as we appreciate the nature, you also appreciate the one who created it. So Splendor Hills, our plan is to make this as a retreat center where people can retreat from all the toxic, retreat from all the heaviness, retreat from every trauma and anxiety, and come here and connect their spirit back to God through nature.
Alright, that's a beautiful thing to say about the campsite itself. And that you're correct. This place is like healing, it connects you through God, and you get to see how, the Maker himself did this wonderful place.
Yeah, like when you come here, usually I see people, they do this.
Yeah, it's like they're meditating, right?
Yes, so it's one of the kind. Splendor Hills is very rare, very rare. We are not gonna keep it populated. That's a promise. We'll be keeping it serene. So we don't want noise. We want camper to know this. When you come here, we don't allow a lot of drinking here, no video karaoke here. It's as clean as it is. We want to preserve this nature and promote wellness. So everybody, you're welcome to Splendor Hills, but when we are limiting you, if you are, for example, you are booking here and we say, no, we cannot accommodate you at this time, please remember it's for your good to make sure that you are not disturbed. When you are leaving the city of Manila, you want to leave that crowd place to come to enjoy. So we don't want you to be here to be crowded as well.
That's
so
right.
please be patient with us. We just want to make sure we give you the best service ever. Splendor Hills is known for the 360-degree views of the nature and the beauty and the wind. So when you are so much sweating out there, come here. Splendor Hills nature is welcoming you.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or...
Alright, so yan, pauwi na kami. Nakapag-pack up na kami ng aming mga gamit. Balik na kami ng San Mateo. So, yun, maraming salamat kung nakaabot ka hanggang dito sa video na to, hanggang dito sa dulo. And sa mga bago lang, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, AK Wonders. Ayan, i-share nyo rin yan sa inyong mga friends at budulin nyo rin silang mag-camping. Alright! See you again on our next gala!
Yeah.